The Ruby Pro espresso machine features all the important characteristics of a professional food service espresso machine, but in a more compact, more attractive format. The machine was designed to prepare professional espresso beverages with freshly ground beans, and following the trends in the coffee serving industry, the Ruby Pro can also be used with both pods or capsule formats. The most common takeaway cup sizes can be easily accommodated under the 9.5 cm high coffee spouts. Our renowned tradition of lasting quality continues in the Ruby Pro, which boasts a 2 kg solid brass monoblock group head, a 5-litre boiler with a 2500 watt heating element, along with the same superior European-made and certified components found on our bigger models. The machine offers tea preparation and milk foaming capabilities for small outlets that need to expand their hot beverage menu. With a width of just 43 centimeters or 17 inches, the Ruby Pro will soon bring the professional espresso experience to a coffee serving location near you. Espresso and cappuccino excellence in a modern design, from Quality Espresso.